In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com. If you're looking to keep your project timelines and your schedule perfectly in sync, this integration is a simple way to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Monday.com account and your Google account, and that you have permission to use integrations on your board. First, open Monday.com and go to the board where you want events to sync. In our example, it's called Trial Management. Take a quick look at your columns. The integration relies on a date or timeline column to know exactly when an event should appear on your calendar. If you're tracking meetings or deadlines, confirm that the relevant items already have the correct dates and, if needed, times. Clear item names make better calendar event titles, so consider cleaning those up as well. Next, look to the top of your board and click the Integrate button to open the Integration Center. This is the hub where you connect Monday.com to other tools. If you don't see the option, you may need admin access or to switch to a plan that includes integrations. Once you're in, you'll find a gallery of available apps and automation recipes designed to connect your workflows. Now choose Google Calendar and pick a template that fits how you want information to flow. You'll see options like creating a calendar event when an item is created or when a status changes, or syncing updates back from calendar to your board. Select the recipe that matches your process. You may be prompted to connect your Google account and choose which calendar to use: personal, team, or a specific project calendar. As you review the recipe, map your board's fields to event details, item name to event title, the date or timeline to start and end, and notes or people columns to the description or guests if the template supports it. Pay attention to time zones and whether the date should be all day or time specific. When everything looks right, save the recipe to turn it on. For best results, try a quick test with a sample item and give it a moment to sync. If something doesn't appear as expected, revisit your field mapping or confirm you selected the intended calendar. And that's it. Your board and your Google Calendar are now working together, helping you stay organized and on schedule.